What you got today? Wait, I just got killed. What? How's it going, guys? Today, how's it going to play? Today we are playing back. Guys, sorry, I fixed it. So I'm just gonna do some stuff right now. Oh, that's with me, huh? That was my fix. What? Was that part of your plan? Oh. What? What? Help? Oh no. No. No, guys. Guys, I cannot fight this big fat dude. I'm in need of love. Look at me. Look. Save me. Mommy, help. Oh, yes. Yes, it's so crazy. What's going on? What is going on? Wait, what? What am I doing? Ah! I don't know what I'm doing for safety. Okay, now my target is oh my goodness. He's gonna kill me like so bad. No, I can run. Where am I okay? I'm doing something. Whoa, come on! Are you serious? Are you serious? He just killed me! That's unfair! That's so unfair! Did you guys see that? What? Oh, come on! Come on! Why? Oh, whoa! Far! Yes! I feel the power. Now evacuate. Ah! Oh my god. I was like going on. What when a fat dude like hey! Oh my god. Whee! Whee! What cheater being here. Oh my god. Zombie. Let's go. What? This is just so tiny. I was just like that. So, ooh. Belly button. You will have a bit. I can't do it. Stop. If I cannot, I just said stop, man. Hello? Hello? Is there anything inside of you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Take the part of my power. Smell it first. Smell it. Wow, this is not a part of my power. Whoa, guys. Yeah. How will we destroy this guy? Yeah. I'm just talking to man. Do nothing. Uh, oh, guys, I think I'm just gonna wait and get more stuff, like get more fat power. So I'll be back with you. Okay, I reached myself up to 700 fat power, and I hope this is gonna be cool. I got new power up too. Jelly roll. Game. Tell me what? Wait, what? I just got up to 700. So this is gonna be a really good. Oh, we have a bad time, man. I won. So I'm almost at getting 1,000. Let's do this and let's. Yeah! Yeah. Okay, was I still on mute? Okay. Okay. My fat power's almost there. My fat. What is that? I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, gee. Did you just poop? Oh, far too late. Wow, that was cool. What? Did you just poop? Oh, what the flip? That guy's a massive hero. Look at that tiny head. Oh my goodness. Step away from the dude. Wait, what? You're gonna have a nest. Oh my god. What is that? Like, ah! Oh no. Oh! How should what? He can't even move. Okay, I'm so close. I'm so close. Ah! Please save me, please. Okay, you go get up to 800. Because I can't stay up that long. It's really mid one. Let me let me just trying he's trying to kill me. Wait, I was on mute. I am so sorry guys. I'm really, really sorry. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what? What? Okay, I'm really sorry. I just keep talking and just like I get so quiet. Like that was like I just get so quiet every single time, and yeah, it just happens. I'm really sorry for that. Wait, I'm so strong. Get dunked on. Oh wow, what? What? How